Anyway, ignore Stuart. Anna! What, the camera keeps slipping. Ow. It's going to say use the tripod, but now you've broken it. I've not. Anyway. That's a dog that goes quack, that's a cow that goes moo, there's a sheep that goes quack, and there's a goose that goes honk, and there's a boo that goes. Sorry we don't have a special guest today, but Snuggly is previously engaged, I'm afraid. You put a frog on her and coincidentally, she had to go in the washing machine.